Hello everyone. Today we will go through the factory reset steps for the ScanAvenger SA1000 model, which is our 1D mini barcode scanner, while having it connected with your device through Bluetooth. This is a very simple process and it will only take a couple of minutes from your time, as you mainly have to scan a sequence of barcodes. The first step in doing this is removing the scanner from the existing Bluetooth connections from your device, but in case you never had the scanner paired with your device before, this step will not be required. You will then have to turn on the scanner by pressing this little switch button towards the charging port of the scanner and then pressing the trigger button to turn on the scanner. What's amazing about the ScanAvenger barcode scanners is that they can scan the barcodes directly from the screen without having to print them. That being said, you can scan the following sequence of barcodes one by one directly from this video. Before doing this, please note that some of the barcodes will not return a beep or a vibration after each successful scan. Once you are done scanning all the barcodes, you will notice that these blue lights will start flashing, meaning that the scanner is no longer paired with your device. You will then have to go into the Bluetooth settings on your computer, phone, or tablet and search for available connections. In that list, you will find ScanAvenger HID, which is the scanner's name, and you will simply have to click or tap on it to connect. Once this is done, you will notice that the lights will turn into a solid blue, meaning that the devices are now connected together. You can test this by simply opening a notepad or a Word document as I did, and scanning any barcode in it. In case you need assistance or you need a copy of this process together with a sequence of barcodes, please send us an email to helpdesk@scanavenger.com and our support team that operates 24/7 will reply back to you shortly. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.